What? Welcome to the thing. Welcome to Madness with Madison.
What we're doing today, Mads?
Playing Don't Press the Button. Whoever doesn't press the button, whoever does press the button has to do other things. If you have found something, you just have to do it. Ooh.
Oh my god, why am I giant?
Is it Titanic? Everything you find is Titanic. Sure. Oh, Hannah. Oh, you're little again.
Oh, good. I don't like being big. Too big for me.
Why do I keep dying in this? So just try. Oh. Goodness. Why do I keep dying? Oh, why do I keep dying, guys? Like I can't just fall in this with a bumpy. I'm going on the roof. Skix goes on the roof.
Hey, people keep stealing the fireworks from me. I need to get some.
Ha ha ha. Say what's Skix?
Stitchy, where are you? I swear people... Oh, hi.
Oh, Hannah.
I want a firework. Thanks.
Oh, Hannah means family. Family means nobody can left behind. How do I get on there?
Just jump.
I can't.
If I jump, you jump, right? If I jump, then you jump, right, Jack?
I'm not Jack.
Mummy. If I jump, you jump, right? My throat hurts. Wow, 4 whole fireworks.
Oh. Watch out. Watch out.
Ow! Should have listened to you.
Hungry, push the ice ball off the lobby.
Hey, stop.
I'm closing.
Oh my god. Avoid it, Mads.
Avoid it. in here.
How are you still alive?
Oh!
And it killed you.
Fire.
Goodbye and defying gravity.
Say, Skix, where are you?
Ow! That's not nice. That wasn't very nice, was it?
Oh, Hannah. Bricks. Oh, biscuits. Say, Skix, where are you?
Stitch got eye out. I want to make more Titanic edits. Okay, you're just like...
Titanic?
Yeah.
Otter flanks. Flanks.
That's the fire. Oh my god.
The gadget sky.
No. Oh, I'm dead.
I'm not dead.
Fancy, you're dead.
No, I wasn't. I was just going right there. I wasn't.
No, Mads, that's the bit where that's the bit when you die.
Don't push the button. Reach the end. Okay, I will.
Oh, I died.
Oh, I died.
It's fine, we all died.
No, I didn't die. I died. Oh. What is?
I'm flying, Jack, I'm flying.
Okay, I die. Okay, 40. I'm sorry for.
Come in.
Hold on.
Okay.
Let me just give this.
Oh, guys, thanks for watching.
Bye!